you home? Why would he be? He's homeless. Let's play the basketball. Thousands? There's. Nothing good there. Awesome. Hold on. I want one of these. Looks like a toe though. It is.
Hey Ryan.
Yeah?
I'll play dodgeball. I got a ball.
Alright.
Whoa, what's that?
It's a toy gun.
Oh my god.
Let's test it out.
What on? I mean, what are you gonna shoot?
I don't know.
Me? Why me?
Oh my god. Just killed my best friend. This thing's real.
Oh my.
Penny? Right? Oh my god.
A penny!
And a gun too!
Nice. I want this thing.
Where's it going? I had a chance. Oh, there you are. See this thing. Suicidal. Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, Anthony. It's getting chilly up here. Wait, is that a penny? Oh, it's just a
Oh my god. Yes, she was for me. Yes. I'm not gonna get caught. Wait a second. This looks familiar. The pants? Oh my god, Austin! Ah! A penny! Yes! Yes!
Three! Finally, I can turn it! Twist. There. There. Here. There. I'm just trying to find it. Yeah, right.
This job.
Yeah, right, man. Probably fall or something.
I'm not gonna fall. Kick me. Woo!
Oh, man. See? Anything could possibly happen, so they're probably gonna fall. Not in my world. They are. No, not. Not in my world. I gotta come down there, you know? I don't freaking. OMG! I had it by an oil connection. Goddamn, let me hooked up.
Oh my god. Are you seeing this? Well, I didn't really see because I was eating my donuts. Yeah. Yeah. But, oh my god. A sweater. Probably matches me. Oh, a bike? That's pretty cool, man. You know what I can do with this? I can sell it for $1. Oh, snakes! Oh, snakes! you know, this is
embarrassing. This is a...
Let's go. Should we go tell him?
Oh my god, Anthony! Shut up! That is not... That is funny, man! I'm putting this on you. That is funny! You broke my thing! Stop! Yo, man, what is it pulling out? Is that a gun? Oh, left side? Wait a second. This thing ain't even real, man.
Yes, it is.
Watch me. It ain't even real. OMG.
Another here about a wine connection.
Ah. Wingardium Leviosa. I gotta go get it.
Oh my god. Oh. A rapper. OMG! A bike! Ah, first I gotta get that off. And get the bike. Whoa! Heavy bike. So close. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I got brakes! Oh! Awesome! New camera! Awesome! Yeah! Holy shit! Oh shit! There's some cops coming! That just killed like one dude! I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to do this. I can't, no, but I'm gonna have to. No. Yes, a camera. Hey, is this thing even real? Let's try it out. Oh my god. Okay, I heard of seeing dead people before, but I mean, Anthony, Zala Austin, Vince, there's nothing left in my world.